Hello and welcome back to my little patch of heaven. It has been a very hot minute since I have recorded a video, but I figured I'd get back to it and I'd let you guys know what's going on. Currently there's been a lot of changes in the garden because the season's been going on and just been really hectic. And then there's a lot of harvesting that we need to do with potatoes. I've already harvested the majority of the broccoli and I'm waiting for the onions. I've harvested some cucumbers. Sorry, couldn't think about it. And then the tomatoes are coming on. I've harvested plenty of zucchini, and I still have a big zucchini that I'm letting grow out. And my corn's doing really great. But in this video, we're going to harvest some potatoes. And then I wanted to let you guys know that my Holland lot Freya has passed away. She passed away on 7/18. On Friday in the morning before I had to go to work. So that was really difficult, and just waiting to get her back because I did send her to a crematorium so she can be up with my dog Chance with his urn on my bookshelf. And then there's some other information that I have for you guys, but I will be telling you later on after I get everything settled. So come join me with taking some potatoes. Let's go.
And another one. Whatever I found is going in there. And another one.
Girl, pick it up, put it in the fucking bucket.
I thought it was over there. We found some more bigger potatoes of the purple kind.
That goes over there. Over there.
Okay. What? Whoa.
What was that small one?
I'm gonna dig. Ooh, we got a bigger purple potato. I'm gonna dig right here. Ooh, we got a bigger one. I'm just placing that right
all the potato ends that we peeled out need to go in the wheelbarrow.
Okay. I'm still looking.
It's just your head. Come back here. Alright, so I think that was a pretty good potato harvest. I could have waited a little bit longer, but with certain things coming up, I have to end a few things earlier. But we got a great potato harvest. We got a bunch of the purples and the pinks, and some of the russets came through. They did pretty good. We got a nice russet potato. There you go, nice russet potato. A little higher, baby. Nice russet potato. And other than that, we got a nice unicorn looking batch up in here. So,
Remember to like and subscribe. And leave a
Yes.
comment down below.
that too. But we also have some more potatoes that we need to harvest later, which I don't know if we're going to bring those with us or if we're going to harvest them before they're completely utterly dead. But other than that, next harvest will be the rest of the peas and green beans and lettuce and the rest of the carrots. The garlic's almost ready. The onions are looking pretty good. Cucumbers have given us about 3 cucumbers, which is nice. And then the broccoli's given us all it's can. We're just harvesting off the shoots now. And then, yeah. So I'll give you a quick skim by, and then we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Bye.
Her hands are brown with the soil of love. She tends her dreams under skies above. Tiny sprouts grow as her courage blooms in her little garden made of hopes and rooms. She whispers to flowers, they'll grow and thrive. Through raindrops and sun, they'll come alive. Her heart beats wild for fields so wide, for a homestead dream where she'll reside. She'll have a barn and a willow tree, a meadow full of life running free. Her small hands will guide the land so green. She's a gardener now chasing her dream. Her shadow sways on the mossy ground. The roots of her vision are deep and sound. Each seed she plants is a promise to keep. In the dreams she dreams when she's too tired to sleep. Chickens will cluck and cows will sigh. The stars will sparkle in her night sky. The music of crickets will serenade her soul on her dream homestead where she feels whole. She'll have a barn and a
music is going to play over this. This needs water. You want to go get that sprinkler?
Have a
Well, the hose and
and a
hook it up to that sprinkler.
tree, a meadow full of life running free. Her small hands will guide the land so green. She's a gardener now chasing